Okay, this special shout out goes to my big sister Sharika, and yes, it's her birthday. Hey, hi, yeah. So yes, today's her birthday, and I'm gonna give her a big shout out and try to sing anyway. So, but then again, I just do this for fun. But happy birthday, Sharika, and I hope you are having a marvelous birthday. And yes, we stay typing, so we don't make typos. We make new words, so crazy, yeah. Um, but yes, happy birthday, and your Christmas card slash birthday card is coming like pretty soon. So yes, and I hope to visit you during Christmas break with Demandre. So yes, and so happy birthday. I'm not gonna sing. That was a close moment. So yes, but yes, this video goes to Sharika. So happy birthday, Sharika, and I love you, and you're my big sister, and I hope we just, yeah, we still gotta do a video. Yeah. Alright, happy birthday, peace.